Tired of someone accidentally deleting your OneNote notes? There's no lock page button, but here's how to protect them in seconds. First, I'll show you how to password protect an entire section. Then, a quick way to share a read-only link. Alright, let me tell you why this is such a common headache. OneNote doesn't give you a simple button to lock an individual page. That would be too easy, right? But don't worry, we have two solid workarounds, and I've pulled these methods straight from Microsoft's own documentation, so you know they're reliable. So here's the deal. You can't lock just one single page. But what you can do is move that sensitive page into its very own section. Think of it like putting your most valuable document into a folder that has its own lock. Go ahead and drag that page to a brand new section or one you create just for this purpose. That way, when we put a password on the section, only that page is affected. Now right-click on the Section tab at the very top of OneNote. That's the little tab with the name of the section your page lives in. From the menu, choose Password Protect this section. You can also find this option under the Review tab in the ribbon. Then click Password. Either way works. On the right side of the screen, a password pane will slide out. Click the button that says Set Password. OneNote will pop up a box where you enter your password. Type it in, then type it again to confirm. Click OK. And here's the really important part, and this is straight from the official help docs. Passwords in OneNote are case-sensitive, so if you use capital letters, you have to remember that. Also, if you ever forget this password, Microsoft cannot recover it for you, so write it down somewhere safe. Once you've set it, press Ctrl, Alt, and L on your keyboard all at the same time. That locks the section instantly. You can also click Lock All in that password pane on the right. Now, anyone who clicks on that Section tab will see a password prompt. They cannot view, edit, or delete anything in there without that password. But let's say you don't want to deal with passwords at all. Maybe you just need to share a page with a teammate and you want to make sure they can't change a single word. This is a different approach with a different goal, but it works great. Open the notebook that has the notes you want to protect. Look up at the top right corner and find the Share button. It might just say Share, or it could be a person icon. Click it. In the sharing menu, look for the option that says Copy View Only Link. If you don't see that exact phrase, select anyone with the link can edit, and then uncheck the box that says Allow Editing. That changes the link from editable to read-only. Now, when you send that link to someone, they can see your notes, but they cannot edit them, delete anything, or even accidentally drag and drop a note out of place. It's perfect for when you want to share information without the worry. So now you have two solid ways to lock down your notes. You can password protect a whole section with a few quick clicks, using the method backed by Microsoft's own guidance, or you can share a read-only link for a safer way to collaborate. No more accidental edits, no more lost notes. Your important pages will stay exactly the way you left them. Go ahead and give it a try.